Would you like a drink? I'm sorry. What was I thinking? Bad for the public image, right, Mr. World's Greatest Detective?
What did you do to me?
Oh, I did what you failed to do. To me. I beat your ass!
Okay, alright, cool your jets, okay? There was no beating of any asses. How dare you?
I seem to recall completely flaming your entire person, Batman.
Yeah, you put up a good fight maybe, but I think we all know that I was just a little bit tired is all. Like
Don't
I hadn't
even act
gotten
like
enough
I
sleep
didn't
that
put
morning.
four
And I
brand
just,
new
you know
holes in
what,
your
and then
torso that weren't there before.
You know what, fine, I'll admit it. There was maybe a little bit of ass beating, like just a hair maybe.
Seems like your entire scalp to me, Batman.
Alright, listen here, you croissant guzzling bastard. I'm here to take you down for real this time and return all that money you stole.
Is that so? Just trying to embarrass yourself some more, huh? And what proof do you have that I stole anything, Well, you'll never take me alive!
Whoa, let me guess. There's a knife inside the croissant?
Nope. Whoa! Oh. What the God damn it. Hold on, I gotta... Ha-ha! Oh, shit!
Oh, God, I could go for a brain blast or something right now.
Be grateful that this will be over for you quickly, Batman.
Nuh-uh.
The fuck you mean, nuh-uh? Ow! Ow! What are you? Ow! Batman, stop!
Ha! Take that and that and
Ow! Stop! Stop it!
Oh, man, this really puts into perspective the way I handle money. Ah, flip. Whoa.
Oh, shit! Ah, my nose! Consider this your final warning, Batman. You try to come after me again, and I might just have to kill you. Alrighty, you know. So much I can These friggin' things are like ninja stars. Jeez. Did you just use a gun?
No, I used a croissant. It's different.
Oh, you motherfucking!
Oh, shit, I'm sorry. Man, what the hell? You're one of the freaking weird ones, dude. Are you kidding me? What is it with you and these croissants?
Thank you. I have been feeling a bit hangry. Now, prepare to die, Batman. This one's for you, Mrs. Neutron. Oh, this is just a regular croissant. I put a fucking gun in the microwave! Jimmy!
Batman. Amazingly, he's not dead, so you're basically 100% clear in my book.
Oh, yay! That's so good to hear. I was worried, because of how frail and easy he was to defeat. Oh, where's Batman? I'm gonna kill him. Where is he? You hear me, Dark Knight? You're a dead man. You're a dead man. No.
Yeah, see, look how nothing he is.
Right.
Anywho, I am glad to finally have that stinking, dirty, rotten criminal behind bars at last.
Yeah, yeah. Well, he's a child, so he's not going there, actually.
He, huh?
Yeah, he's like 12.
Ow! I forgot there's glass everywhere. Don't look at me.